Get a feel for the 2013 Kia Sorento. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in this sleek Sorento. Prepare to fall in love with its spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 7, its super smooth ride, and its standard infotainment system. All-weather capability and crossover convenience make it an ideal road trip machine. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.